TheEpicRen, and this is my brother Anderson.
Hi.
We're going to be trying out weird Asian foods blindfolded. We got this Dragon Ball Z train, just for the extra aftertaste, but we haven't even tried it yet. We got this weird jelly, grass
I'm excited
jelly.
for that.
I don't like grass. We got fishies, fish snacks, whatever. We got some anchovies, but they're spicy and I don't like it. And we got some squid. I almost said octopus. And we got some jelly sticks. That's all we're going to be trying. We got them all from the Asian supermarket. We put a blindfold on each other just like this. Yeah, we put one of your food in here. Just like that. And that's how you do it. And now I'm going to choose the one. I'm choosing wisely. Yeah, well, I'm going to give him more than one.
No. Only one, please.
Two.
No. Oh.
And I knew you wouldn't like it.
It tastes like puke. Oh.
You don't know what it was?
Is it anchovies?
No. Oh, fine, yes.
Oh. It tastes like cat puke now.
Wait, why did it taste cat puke?
I don't know. Ugh.
Oh, now I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
It's like sweet mixed with vomit, mixed with spicy, and mixed with poop.
The poop part. Is it like super spicy?
No, it kind of burns my throat though. It's gross. Okay, I guess it's your turn now. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, no peeking.
I'm not.
Yep. Open up. Nope, eat it all.
What is this?
Is it good? Oh, dang it.
I think it's a fish.
Yep.
Know it. I can feel the strings. Okay, your turn. Open wide.
It's just like beef jerky.
No!
Is it squid?
Yep.
Yes. Well, beef jerky mixed with salmon.
I don't like salmon.
Why not? It's gross. Oh. Ooh. Ugh.
Yeah, you thought it tastes good.
Oh, ow. Your turn now. I just bit my tooth and it hurt really bad. Open wide.
Ugh.
What's it taste like?
Vomit.
What do you think it is?
Really?
Yep.
There you go. Open wide. Open wide.
What's that? Oh. What?
It doesn't quite pick it up. So you get. That's what it tasted like.
try to guess the flavor of this. Okay? What is it?
Yellow straw.
Yes.
Here we go. Counts it into a bowl so it's easier. That's what I ate. That's what I said was good.
It's just the fish. It's salty.
I think he
mixed with
enjoys
sweet.
it. I think he enjoys it.
Beef jerky, but sweet. Like, ugh. And gross.
It was a fish and a squid.
What do you think it is?
Anchovies.
Yep. Correct.
Salty, spicy, gross, and some other odd flavors.
Yeah, straw.
Salty-ish. It's the squid. These were my least favorite. I knew they would be gross.
I agree. The anchovies are my worst favorites.
And then
My
the
second.
squid is the second.
My favorite were the jelly straws.
Yeah, these are the favorites.
This has directions. So
A
I
lot.
wonder how that's gonna work. Remove the film. Okay. And then you take the opener from the plastic cap. Place the opener at the top of the bottle and press down with your palm. The marble will be dropped. Keep pressing for 5 seconds.
Here we go.
Tasty.
Dude, I can't get that to press down.
So my dad opened it. We're not strong enough to.
That marble.
So you see the marble? Yeah, there's like bubbles on it. It rolls around. So I guess we should try it now. It tastes sweet.
It tastes super
Kind of like
fizzy.
Sprite. It's fizzy and sweeter than Sprite.
Thanks for the support on my Ghost Pepper video. It means a lot to me.
If you haven't seen it, I recommend seeing it.
I look forward to doing more food challenges. Leave a comment below if you have suggestions for my next food video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!
Bye.